Hey everyone, Alyssa here at Sipkens Nurseries, and I thought I'd bring you back here into our growing greenhouses. And you can see behind me here, we have a really awesome crop started for fall. So back here we have things like fall asters, mini small fall mums. We have celosias, gomphrenias, some black-eyed Susans, all of those fall foliage and interest plants growing and ready, and those are going to be up on our retail benches very soon, and going to be great for that transition from summer into fall for your patios, your pots, and also for your garden. So take a look at some of the varieties that we're going to offer here late summer and fall at Sipkens Nurseries.